Hey guys, this is your Preet. Welcome to our another video. In this video, we will talk about how to install the SSL certificate for free. Yes, that will be free for lifetime. As you know guys, I create video on WordPress, blogging, tech related video, my all content. I teach only genuine way which really actually works. That's why people love my videos. I always request you to please share my videos, subscribe my channel so I bring more nice videos for you. Okay, so in this video we will learn how to install free SSL certificate in Infinity Free. Okay, so first of all you have to log in Infinity Free. If you don't know what is in Infinity Free, it provide free hosting and domain. I have create another video complete how to get hosting, free hosting and domain. You can check that video in description. So now we will go step by step. First of all, we will click on control panel. I will teach you in this tutorial how to install SSL certificate for free. Okay, we will go through step by step. Okay, in order to install SSL certificate, when you log in your account, you will look like something this your accounts. It will show you the account. You have to create hosting account. As I have already create in last video my account, you can create new account. Okay, we have to click go inside the account. Inside the account, when we click, you will see here option, upper option, free SSL certificate. We will learn how to activate the free SSL certificate. Let me delete this one and I will show you from the beginning how to install it. Okay, so you will look like this blank. We have no any SSL certificate. Now I will teach you step by step. So first of all we will click new SSL certificate. We will install new certificate here. Here we have to enter our website name. You can check your website name. Let me open my home page into another tab. So I will know my domain name. So this is my, here is my domain name. Let me go to control. Yeah, here is label website for, this is my domain name. I copy my domain name. I paste my domain name here in the domain name. I paste my domain name. Do not add HTTP or column anything. Just you have to enter your domain name or subdomain. Okay. So now we will click continue. After click continue, it will ask you to choose the SSL certificate provider. Okay, and they have recommended 0 SSL. Okay, so you can see here it issue in 10 minutes, easy renewal. So this is a free. I will click choose provider. After I click choose provider, it will ask you to create CNAME on your account. How we create CNAME, I will show you. Okay, I will go back to my panel. This is my panel, Infinity Free panel. We call it also control panel. Okay, we will scroll in the down, and here we will see advanced option. We will see the CNAME option here. CNAME records, CNAME records in advanced tab. We will click CNAME records and we will create CNAME. In the source, we will enter the record name. We copy the record name in the source. In the record name, we will paste the record name. In the destination, we will paste the destination, this one. Okay, we copy it, copy, and in the destination we put that destination and we will click on add. Okay, so this is how you can add CNAME. After add CNAME, I will also, it already created. We will go back. Okay, we have already that destination. Okay, we will go back, and you can see here, after we enter the record name and destination, we click on add in the CNAMEs. In the CNAME records, you will see option here, current destination will be ready. So if you did not have a CNAME yet, add this CNAME, you will see here on hold, or you will see not ready. So you can see it's already ready, our CNAME already submitted, or you can click here, set up CNAME record automatically. You can also click this. This is the same process. Okay, you can choose any. You can manually add your CNAME via go to advanced and CNAME record section. Scroll down here, advanced CNAME record. You can add your CNAME manually, or you can click set CNAME record automatically. And now this is the time to request for certificate. We click request certificate. Your certificate has been requested, and will be available shortly. You can see here it's processing. We are requesting your SSL certificate. Please do not remove CNAME record. They are saying do not remove the CNAME, so we just add, okay, these records. We just add this record for our domain. They are saying do not remove that, or do not refresh your page. So I highly recommend, do not refresh your page until the process completed. So we will wait until we will get the code, certificate code for SSL certificate. And I will also teach you how to, after getting a certificate, how to add your certificate in SSL option. Finally, our domain will be ready and secure after that. So we have to wait until the process completed. So we can refresh this page. As you can see, they have written here, you can refresh the page to see if certificate was created. We will refresh this page, and we will see our SSL certificate here. You have to wait. After refresh, you still see the processing here, the processing. You can see my mouse. You have to wait. It takes small time, but sometime it take more time to generate SSL certificate, because that's really important for us. Until it will issue SSL certificate, let me teach you how to add this certificate into SSL option. We will go back to our cPanel of Infinityfree. We will scroll down, and we will look for this option in security SSL TLS. We click this. Here we will click on our website. You can see our URL name, website name, and we will click configure SSL. We will click this configure. In this option, they will ask private key and certificate. We will enter those private key here. Okay, we will paste here, upload certificate. This is how it is easy. Let me refresh again if our SSL certificate generated. You can see, guys, our certificate has been successfully generated. We will click on show, upper option, show. This is our private key. We will copy first our private key. You have to copy all completed, include the begin private key. Okay, and we go back to the private key. We paste that private key here and scroll down. In CSR option, we will leave it blank. Certificate, yeah, we will copy our certificate. This is our certificate in the right side. We also copy this, and we will paste our certificate here as well. Okay, now we have private key, we got private key, and we got certificate. Now we will click on upload certificate. After click on upload certificate, it takes some time. The certificate uploaded not for the domain version. Okay, let me go back. Or you can click this one, install SS certificate automatically. When you click this, it will auto install your key, certificate, everything. SSL certificate has been installed. It may take up to 15 minutes to become active. You can see no SSL certificate was found. The status is for the domain. Okay, we will wait for it. Okay, let me go back to the SSL option here. Let me go back to the SSL. We can check if our domain, yeah, we will click configure again. You can see guys, need a certificate, get one. Our SSL certificate already uploaded into our domain. We have to wait for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Our website will be ready with SSL certificate. Okay, we just refresh our this page. Okay, we will see SSL certificate was found successfully. The red here, it will become green status. Okay, we have to wait just to refresh it, and our SSL certificate will be ready. You can see guys, status is become green. SSL certificate is installed from issuer 0 SSL, expire, okay, the date. Okay, now our SSL certificate has been successfully uploaded. Now we can check our website. You can see guys, our website is secure, connection is secure. You can see connection is secure, certificate is valid. Our SSL certificate successfully uploaded. So how it is easy to install free SSL certificate on Infinityfree. So I hope you like this video. In next video I will bring another topic for WordPress, blogging, tech related. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.